Welcome everybody to Garage Series Episode 4, where we're going to be exchanging out these Evo Carmichael ProTapers for these new ProTaper Fusions. They're pretty awesome, so we're going to switch those out. And because this is the boring part where I'm going to be taking these off, we're just going to speed this whole thing up. And I think I'm also going to use my helmet a little bit so that y'all can get like a first-person-ish kind of feel. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so real quick, I want to talk about this real quick. I'm sorry for the low light. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. So this is the end spacers for ProTaper the Icarus, if I'm saying that right, handguards. Sometimes you might have to knock these out, so a nice screwdriver and a hammer if you want. Sometimes they just pull right out, but you might have to do that. I also wanted to let y'all know that when you're doing this, try to keep stuff separate, because I've got my stuff put over here on a separate table for the right side and on a separate box over here for the left side. So make sure you keep that stuff separate and it should go a little bit smoother. Alright guys, now hopefully that was kind of fast. Here you go, I got these Evos off, and so we're going to put the new Fusions on. We have to prep them a bit, because we have to pull the little tabs out, or we might do those last actually. But I also want to show y'all something. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, because it's kind of dark in here. Let me get this real quick. So, if you can see, I don't think y'all can see. Let me see if I can get a light real quick. So, if you look at that bushing that's like right there, you can see it right under the triple tree, nice where my light's on. You see where it's split? So, those are my triple tree mounts, or my bushings, my cones, as you will. They are cracked. So we actually have a set coming in. They are Zeta CNC metal aluminum ones, which I'm going to try and put those on when they get in. I might have to do a little custom work to them because they really don't come in for this bike particularly. So that's going to have to be done. But hopefully that's not too bad. So I'm going to get to these other bars and I'm going to do something a little bit different when I'm installing these ones. Instead of giving y'all this view, I'm going to give y'all an up close and personal view and use my helmet. So I'm going to leave y'all from here and I'm going to put my helmet on so I can prep the bars. So, deuce. Alright guys, what's up? So, real quick, I was doing this video and just wanted to give you kind of an update on, I said something about those cones. Well, so I ended up getting those Zeta cones in today, and they were just too big. I'm gonna have to send them back. I went over to the motorcycle store though, right now in SoCal, and I went ahead and got some rubber ProTaper ones. Had some issue with getting those in, but I had to cut them down a bit to actually get them to fit in there. So I had to do a little custom work like I was planning on doing anyways with CNC ones. But the rubber, they're tight, they're now in there. So back to it. I'll probably sped up a lot of this, and it's because it takes a minute. But what I'm going to show you right now is a lot of times when you're doing this, you don't want to tighten down all of your levers and stuff. You want to kind of keep them loose so that you can come through and kind of inspect where everything's going to be at, because you want to put it where you're gonna like it and probably use it the most. So that's where you're probably gonna want to tighten it down. Like, I want to make sure I can use my clutch all the way, you know. I want to make sure I get the most out of it. So I'm gonna move that to a spot where it's golden. And to be honest with you, I think my clutch was too close to begin with. So, I'm trying to move it away. I feel about right there is good. So my throttle is actually locked right now. Like, it's actually, the cable is not pulling because I don't know if I have it wired in right. But still, we're still going to try and get it into a spot where I would like to use it. And my master cylinder is about right there. But we also want to give ourselves some room for other things. So we're going to put it right there, I think. I think that's a good control area and enough of a gap for when I get my, I'm actually going to get a standard switch again, and I'll put it back right here instead of this push button start. So we're going to do that. Now with this throttle, oh, that was gross. With this throttle, yeah, get it right. So I think that right there might be what we're after. I'm going to tighten it down some. Oh. See if that's, oh, that's it. Alright, so we're going to tighten everything down, and I think we're going to install my handguards. I mean, I think that looks good. The bars feel good. I mean, clearly I can still see that these are even, but I can see that these are kind of tweaked, and that's because that bushing is shot. So we are going to get that new cone soon. So once that happens, we can straighten this out in its own. My bars will be straight again. what's up. So sorry about having to speed up a lot of this. I'm trying to keep it within a 15-minute video still, but I'm gonna show you all what I got. So after some much time and struggle and fight, I think they turned out pretty good. So these are the new ProTaper Fusions. Got them on the handlebar, back on the Icarbus, all nice and done up. Pad on, mirror in new location, and cross member pad. Everything is tightened up. Brakes is tightened up. Everything is good. So we're gonna get them to go for a test ride sometime soon. Still gotta tidy up some of these lines. I'm gonna get some colored zip ties and do some nice cool stuff. Gotta tie down some other stuff still, but it's coming along. So see you next time, guys. Deuce. Peace.